Hey everyone! Before we dive in, click on the link in the description below to get your special offer with Acorns. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this one. Alright, now let's get cracking. So, Acorns, it's not just something that squirrels obsess over, okay? It's this nifty little app that helps you save and invest your spare change. Imagine buying a coffee for £2.50. Acorns rounds it up to £3 and invests that extra 50p for you. It's like having a money-savvy best friend who's always got your back. First off, let's talk about the sign-up process. Super simple. You download the app, fill out some basic info, link your bank account, and boom, you're ready to roll. Now here's where it gets fun. Acorns has this feature called Roundups. That's the magic bit where it takes your spare change from everyday purchases and invests it. You don't even have to think about it. It's like finding coins in your couch, but better because they're growing into mini fortunes. But it doesn't stop there. Acorns also offers personalized investment portfolios. You can choose your risk level from conservative to aggressive, depending on how bold you're feeling. And they handle all the complicated stuff, so you can sit back and relax. Oh, and get this. Acorns has this thing called found money. Basically, when you shop with Acorns partner brands, they invest a small percentage of your purchase back into your account. Shopping and saving? Yes, please. Now let's talk about the fee. Acorns charges a small monthly fee, but honestly, it's like the cost of one fancy coffee. And the benefits far outweigh it. Seriously, you'll barely notice it. The best part? You don't need to be a finance wizard to use Acorns. The app makes investing super accessible for everyone. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or just someone who wants to start saving without the hassle, Acorns has got you covered. To wrap it up, Acorns is like that low-key genius friend who helps you save and invest without you even realizing it. It's easy to use, cost-effective, and honestly kind of fun. So why wait? Click on the link in the description to get your special offer with Acorns today. Start turning those spare pennies into something amazing. Thanks for watching and happy saving. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you next time.